All right, we have a weather alert. Tropical Storm Fay off the North Carolina coast is moving northward, and it will have an impact on Connecticut. There is Fay. This is the satellite enhanced imagery. You can see it's become a better organized storm this afternoon, and it is moving toward the north, right toward Connecticut. This is the very latest track from the Hurricane Center. Right now, it's got winds of 45 miles an hour. It's going to move northward, hugging the coast. And the forecast is for it to be very close to western Connecticut by 2 o'clock Saturday morning. All right, and if that happens, we could be seeing winds gusting to 40 miles an hour or higher, especially near the coast, and that also raises the potential for some flooding rains. A flash flood watch, in fact, is in effect for the entire state as we go through tomorrow night and Saturday morning. We're talking about an inch or two of rain, maybe locally higher amounts, up to 3 inches of rain. In addition to that, a tropical storm warning is in effect for coastal Connecticut, and this is an area that could see winds gusting to 40 miles an hour or higher. So, as far as the concerns go, flash flooding is a real possibility with tropical downpours. There could be some damaging winds potentially, and there's also a threat of some severe weather in terms of strong thunderstorms and maybe even a few isolated tornadoes, because whenever you get a tropical system coming close by, like Fay will, there's a lot of shear in the atmosphere, and that raises the concern for rotation and some isolated tornadoes. So that would most likely happen tomorrow night. All right, as far as highs go today, it made it up to 93 at Windsor Locks, 90 in Hartford. Everybody else was in the 80s today. So 10 days now this year, 90 or higher, 6 in June and 4 in July. Early warning pinpoint Doppler shows that we're dry. Despite the heat, all the thunderstorms kind of stayed away from Connecticut today. Right now it's 89 in Hartford with a mostly sunny sky, but it feels tropical out there. The humidity is incredibly high, and it's 86 degrees in New Haven, cooler there with the onshore breeze. So temperatures range currently from 78 in Groton to 91 at Windsor Locks. Dew points range from 70 to 75 in many parts of the state, and that's giving us a heat index, which you actually feel as high as 97 degrees at Bradley right now. At one point this afternoon, we had a heat index of 98 in Hartford. So there is Fay off the coast of North Carolina, and here is FUTURECAST, and we're going to start with tomorrow morning. Cloudy skies. A couple of showers will develop as we go into the afternoon and evening. The main event is going to be coming our way tomorrow night. So you can see heavy downpours, hit or miss, around midnight tomorrow night, and the same is true for around 3 o'clock in the morning. Some places will get hit pretty hard, while others don't, but these will be tropical downpours, possibly creating some flash flooding and maybe even some severe winds as well. Just a few lingering showers left Saturday morning, and then we'll see a lull in the action with more showers and storms popping up for Saturday afternoon. So lows tonight will range from 68 to 74 across the state, and your highs for tomorrow are going to be in the upper 70s and low 80s, cooler than today because of the cloud cover and the showers moving in, especially during the afternoon into the evening. So here is your 7-day forecast. We got that weather alert bridging tomorrow right into Saturday. 82 tomorrow, 90 on Saturday with partly sunny skies and a chance for an afternoon storm. Sunday looks to be dry, partly to mostly sunny, hot and humid, a high of 92. And in the low 90s on Monday with a better chance for showers and storms once again. We may cool down a little bit Tuesday, and then more hot weather is in the forecast for Wednesday and Thursday, when we could be very hot on Thursday with highs in the middle 90s. For the shoreline tomorrow, a high of 79.